Hi everyone, this is Professor Daniel Hopkins. I wanted to show you some great features that the TCC library has for those who are ESL or ESOL instructors. I'm going to close this out, don't need the library chat. If we go here to browse subjects, and right now we're on the TCCD library website. And we scroll down to countries and culture. We have several things that are very good for ESL, ESOL learners. First, we have our National Geographic Virtual Library, which I believe instructors who are teaching intermediate to advanced classes might take advantage of this for their students. Maybe assign a reading for students to learn about other cultures, other places around the world, as well as generate some very wonderful, stimulating conversation in classes about different parts of the world, different cultures. Apart from that, under countries and cultures, we also have a pronunciator for language learning. I'm going to use the one with the English interface. I will choose here. Now, if the students wish, they can create their own account, or they can by simply registering, or they can just click on Instant Access and then launch Pronunciator. And there are quite a few languages to choose from. Obviously, we'll say that I'm a student who speaks primarily Spanish from Mexico. So I'll click here and scroll down to try that again. Spanish, Español. Okay, I think I need to be a little more patient here. Here we go. Quiero aprender, I want to learn, of course, English from the United States. So we're going to say Inglés Americano. And here we have quite a few different options. We have daily lessons, personalized classes, a main course, and different guides for learning. I'm just going to show you guys the daily lessons, so students can do this on their own at any kind of pace they'd like. Let's say I'm an intermediate student. Click on intermediate, and we'll choose the lesson for the day, November 15. So students have two parts to this.
Bienvenido.
There is the audio, which will go over the lesson completely, as well as have pictures that will join to this. So it's about a 7-minute audio presentation.
Al asistente de audio de Pronunciator. Aprende en cualquier lugar con estas lecciones que podrás transmitir y descargar. Cada una de ellas corresponde a una lección virtual de Pronunciator. Comencemos con el asistente de audio de esta lección enfocándonos en vocabulario fundamental. Escucha las siguientes palabras del vocabulario.
She talked to her coworkers. We talked to each other. Did you talk to each other? They didn't talk to each other. I will want to talk to you.
En los próximos minutos no solo lograrás entender estas palabras, sino que también las podrás pronunciar. Empecemos con una palabra a la vez. Así se dice, ella habló con sus compañeros de trabajo. Primero solo escucha.
She talked to her coworkers. She talked to her coworkers.
Ahora escucha y luego repite en voz alta después de la señal, tratando de que
here,
tu pronunciación se
They give you the
asemeje a la
opportunity
que
to actually
escuchas.
practice speaking the
She talked to her coworkers.
She talked to her coworkers.
She talked to her coworkers.
She talked to her coworkers. Now, this goes through the different words for the lesson, for the different vocabulary words. And then it also, afterwards, gives students a way to check their knowledge through the test, through testing. So
I will want to talk to you.
here we have the phrase, I will want to talk to you. And they have both in Spanish and the phrases in Spanish as well as the pictures. So here, you'll click on the right one.
I will want to talk to you. Did you talk to each other?
So they have oral comprehension, we have paired audio, vocabulary, as well as spelling and translation. So there's quite a few exercises with each lesson. So this is a very, very helpful tool for those who want extra practice, want extra vocabulary outside the classroom. Lastly, I want to show you Pro Citizen. The easiest way for me to get back to that is going to be by going back to the database. And instead of by subject, I'm going to look it up alphabetically. So browse all under the alphabetical list. And we'll go down to where it says P. Is it still thinking? Yep, still thinking. There we go. Scroll down to the P's, Pro Citizen. What I like about Pro Citizen is it has the same format as the Pronunciator, and it has questions that will help prepare the student to take the citizenship test, because a lot of our students are also interested in learning to become citizens apart from learning the English language. Both of these resources can be very useful. So here, we'll do it in Spanish interface. There we go. And again, it's the same format, so once they understand how to register, or if they just want to instant access, they can go ahead and do that. Launch Pro Citizen.
Bienvenido a ProCitizen. Si deseas convertirte en un ciudadano naturalizado de los Estados Unidos, deberás tomar el examen de naturalización. Este curso te ayudará a prepararte para las secciones de educación cívica, lectura y escritura del examen de naturalización. A través de una serie de 100 videos informativos, además de ejercicios y exámenes de prueba, aprenderás todo lo que necesitas para aprobar el examen de naturalización.
And just as the program mentions here, we have both exercises and tests that will help. And they go through each of the 100 questions on the citizenship exam. And at this point, I believe that I actually have to listen to the whole thing before I can access exams or exercises, which is why. But that is those three applications in a nutshell. We have Pro Citizen, we have the Pronunciator, and we have the National Geographic. So thank you very much.